Hey, what's up, guys? This is the BX80 from the company Pi, and it's a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It has a nice cover, and then the outer edge is rubber, so it doesn't slide. It'll stay nice. Plus, it'll protect it a little bit. I just wanted to show you this at the box. It came packaged really nice, and I just wanted to show you the different features that it lists: NFC, DSP, aux, auxiliary line in, power bank, which is really cool. Long-lasting battery life, hands-free calling. Flip this over, and it's Bluetooth 4.0 wireless, MaxBass for good bass, noise cancellation for when you're using the phone. Supports the micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. It's IP67, so it's waterproof and dustproof, and it supports Apple and Android for your phone. And I have it connected to my phone. I can't record and play music at the same time, but it connected just fine. As soon as you turn it on, it popped up in my phone, and it paired easy. And then this blue light here will just tell you that you're currently paired through Bluetooth. And then the mode here, this lets you switch between an SD card, an auxiliary connection to your stereo, or Bluetooth. You could switch between the three. This is to accept an incoming phone call, which is really awesome. I tested that out, and they sounded good, and they could hear me good as well. This is the volume up, volume down, play, pause, fast forward, and skip back. And then on the side here, this could pull out, and that's for this here in case you just want to hook it onto something. You can do that. So, and then the cables that came with it. This is the auxiliary cable, where if you want to plug it into your stereo, you put one end in the radio, the other end in your stereo. This is the charging cable. This would go into the radio, and then you could charge it either through a USB cable or plug it right into this and put it into a wall outlet. And it also came with a pretty snazzy velvet cover. Really soft, very nice. Alright, so now I'll show you the meat in the back. This is where all your connections would go. So it's got your charging cable, auxiliary in, and your SD card. And this is the power bank, which is really cool. You could charge your phone, your tablet, whatever, by using this. That's a really nice feature. Now let me close this back up real good, because they say it's waterproof up to 1 meter, which is about 3 feet. And the one thing they stress is to just make sure that this is closed tight. You don't want water getting in through these back connections. So we'll get that nice and tight. Alright. And it's like I said, I can't play music while I'm filming, but it got super loud. It's listed as 7 watts per speaker for 14 watts total, but it honestly sounds like it's twice that much. It has nice bass, and it really fills the room, and it gets super loud. So now, what I'm going to do is test it. I have some water in the sink here. It's about 1 foot of water, and you can see that it's powered on. So I'm going to put it in there and see if I don't get electrocuted. Sink it down, and it says it could do that for about 30 minutes, about a half an hour. So it's totally submerged, and I don't want to sit here for a half hour, but it's basically just if you drop it in your toilet or it rains outside or something, that it'll still work fine. Take it out. Everything still looks good. And once I stop recording, I'm going to reconnect the Bluetooth and try to play some music and make sure that it still works good, but it's still powered on. It's sealed tight, so everything is good. Like I said, you just want to make sure that this back is definitely sealed, or else water will leak in through the back ports. But there you go. Like I said, I wanted to play some music for you just so you could hear it, but it really doesn't come through on the phone anyway. But like I said, it sounds great. It has deep bass, it fills up the room, and it gets way louder than I would never even put it up to 100% volume, to be honest. But yeah, there you go. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. If you're looking for a Bluetooth radio, highly recommend it. Alright, thanks guys.